I've watched you now a full half hour, self-poised upon that yellow flower. And little butterfly, indeed, I know not if you sleep or feed. How motionless, not frozen seas more motionless. And then what joy awaits you when the breeze hath found you out among the trees and calls you forth again.
Big storm blowing in from the west, baby.
We don't eat cheese in the country, but we do have some delicious seeds.
And now, student.
So many marshmallows.
We'll need every one of them. Socks and I are going to take them to the campground when the Marshmallow Express comes over the mountain.
Franklin's cookie question.
Get used to them. Does that mean you want to stay?
Here you go, Miss O.